It's time for Ask the Expert with Northern Credit Union.
Take advantage of one of the benefits of home ownership by making the equity in your home work for you. Home equity loans and lines of credit use the existing equity in your home to provide low-interest financing options. Hi, I'm Dan Estel with Northern Credit Union. Finding the right home equity loan can save you thousands. There are many types of loan programs and fee structures may vary. Here are some questions to ask when looking at a home equity loan or line of credit. Is a home equity loan or a simple personal loan a better fit for you? Do you have good insurance coverage, life and disability in particular? How will you cover payments if something unexpected happens? Consider your tax situation. Will you be able to claim an itemized deduction? Do you need a lump sum or prefer access to a revolving line of credit whenever you need it? At Northern Credit Union, we tailor solutions to fit your unique needs. Give us a call to learn more about our no closing cost loan options.
ABC50 and InformNNY.com, home of the experts.